What are you doing, Ro?
That chair.
Oh, what are you doing with that chair?
Stand up.
Standing up?
Stand up that chair.
Standing up with that chair.
Okay. Open that. Let me. Help me. Oh, my goodness. So many food. Many food. Many food.
We have so many foods.
A pink and white, a gunner, and blue and black and green and blue.
Of that penguin, you like all those colors? Who colored that? Rowan did, right?
The pink
Did you color that?
so beautiful.
It is so beautiful.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? What do you want to eat?
I'm going up.
What should we eat? You want to eat some noodles?
Nope. I want this one. The yummy heart meal.
Yummy what?
The yummy heart meal.
Oh,
Start soon. We start soon.
you want to start soon?
Whee!
You're feeling better.
Whee! This one. This one.
What are you looking for?
See? See?